Welcome back to NYSE TV Live. I'm Trinity Chavez. The price of Bitcoin is sitting around $100,000 a token during the first half of December, and one company is looking to make crypto payments easier for businesses. Global workforce management and payments platform Helios has just unveiled plans that they will offer additional flexibility in how companies pay global teams leveraging cryptocurrency to fund payroll requirements. Helios cryptocurrency payroll funding solution will be launched next month, and the company says that the solution will support the top 17 cryptocurrencies and that their payments will instantly be converted to fee OTT currencies like the US dollar. Joining me now is Rick Hammell. He is Helios founder and CEO. Good morning, Rick.
Good morning, and thank you for having me.
Now, with cryptocurrency hitting record highs and a renewed political push from President-elect Donald Trump, what prompted Helios to launch this crypto payroll solution at this very moment?
Well, actually, to be honest, it's creating more flexibility for employers. We realize that a lot of businesses are trying to take advantage of cryptocurrencies, and they're leveraging in their day-to-day business operations. And so as we think about global payroll, our mission in life here is to make sure that we're creating flexible opportunities for all businesses to be able to expand globally. And cryptocurrency is only going to allow that to make it a little bit more simplistic for businesses and how they pay their global teams.
And how does Helios' cryptocurrency payroll solution align with the broader trends right now that we're seeing in the global workforce management, especially as more companies are embracing decentralized financial systems?
Well, I think it's really looking at flexibility. As you already know, in many countries, the currencies are not very strong. And so cryptocurrency allows employers to have more flexibility to attract talent. Using countries like Argentina, where there's a lot of volatility in their actual currency, cryptocurrency employees are looking to say, hey, I want to work with you, but I'm not comfortable being paid in my local currency. And so this allows organizations who are looking to hire talent abroad, which you already know has been a trend since COVID, to be able to say, look, I can hire talent, I can be able to meet the employee where they're looking at, and I can be competitive in that marketplace.
And you know, with crypto's rise in popularity, it may also come with heightened scrutiny, right? So how is Helios preparing to navigate, these varying regulatory landscapes, especially as crypto policies evolve under the incoming administration?
Well, I want to be clear up front. We are allowing companies to pay us in crypto, and we're taking on that risk and converting that into fiat currencies. But we still have to work with local rules and regulations and regulatory officials to ensure that how we actually pay employees. Right now, many countries do not allow cryptocurrency to be paid to employees as salary income. But we're going to be working with them to see how we can work on that flexibility. But right now, Helios is working with companies to actually take on that risk and actually do the disbursement. Helios can actually issue payments in 150 countries. And so we're able to support that by allowing the first step, which is that conversion of cryptocurrency within our platform.
What would you say are the biggest challenges that you're anticipating when it comes to rolling out crypto payroll funding to companies and their employees?
Well, we don't really see a big challenge in regards to how we're going to receive cryptocurrency. We've looked at ways that we can automate that and make it a lot more simplistic for companies by using their crypto wallets. It's very simple. They'll receive an invoice from us from a payroll requirements. They can convert it, and we receive payment that same day. So it's very simple for them. But as we kind of looking at expanding out that offering to our customers, it's going to be working with each and every one of those countries to see where can we pay out in crypto if that's what employees want, or if we have to look at it just from a contractor perspective. Today, we can offer cryptocurrencies payments to contractors, not to employees. But the fact is, to be honest, if you look at companies who are leveraging cryptocurrency today, they are having to convert, and there's multiple steps for them to do that. Where today, with Helios, they can actually make one payment, and we manage all the transfers in 150 countries on their behalf.
Do you foresee any impact, that this offering will have on underbanked and emerging markets where crypto adoption has already seen significant growth?
Yeah, you have to think about that. So when you're paying salaries to employees in crypto, the question comes to what is the actual income or taxable income to the individual employee. So that's going to be a challenge because obviously all government authorities are going to want their share from a tax perspective, and you've got to make sure you report that in the correct way. So that's going to be the biggest challenge as we look at payments to employees in crypto. I do want to reiterate, though, our solution here is receiving payments from customers in crypto, and we're doing the conversion to fiat and paying the employees in local currencies. But as we look at expanding that out, the biggest challenge is going to be how do we make sure that we stay compliant in each one of those countries to ensure that the governments receive what they need and the employees are compliantly reporting from an income perspective.
Now, briefly, do you think that cryptocurrency could eventually become the dominant method for payrolls across industries, and how does Helios plan to lead that charge?
Well, I think that there's an opportunity there. I don't know if it's going to be the dominant. I mean, you got to think about it. Cryptocurrency does create some risk to fiat currencies and possible destabilization of local currencies in different countries. But I do think the flexibility where employers are looking to leverage cryptocurrencies to move money faster, to pay employees faster or contractors faster, I think that's the key right now. So I think there's steps that we have to take to get there. I don't think this is a tomorrow thing, but Helios is looking at always how do we revolutionize payroll industry and make things a lot more simplistic for employers and how they're actually looking to operate their teams abroad.
Well, we are definitely going to be keeping a close eye on the crypto sector. Thanks again, Rick Hammell. He is Helios founder and CEO.